Hey everyone, and welcome back. Confused about what P1 through P4 means in Todoist? Let me explain each priority level and when to use them. Priority levels are color coded. P1 is red, P2 is orange, P3 is blue, and P4 is white or gray. The free plan includes all four levels. P1 red is for urgent tasks. These are critical, time-sensitive items. Your P1 list should stay very short, no more than 3 tasks per day. Use these for client emergencies or hard deadlines. P2 orange is for important tasks. These matter but aren't urgent. Your daily work and key projects live here. Most of your tasks should be P2. P3 blue is for low priority tasks. These are nice to do items. No big consequence if they don't get done today. Use P3 for small errands or optional work. P4 white/gray is for no priority assigned. This is the default for new tasks. Use these for ideas, reference items, or things you'll never actually do. P4 tasks won't show up in priority filters. To set a priority, open any task. Click the flag icon, choose red, orange, blue, or gray, or use keyboard shortcuts, P1 for P1, P2 for P2, P3 for P3, P4 for P4. Pro tip for daily planning, filter your Today view to show only P1 and P2 tasks first. Do those before even looking at P3 tasks. And that's it. P1 for emergencies, P2 for important work, P3 for low priority, P4 for unassigned. Use them wisely. If you use priorities, let me know which level you use most in the comments. See you in the next one.